Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to color the drop down list in Excel. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up your Excel here. So if you start to write manually and then assigning the color, it will take so much time. So for this reason, we have different methods. So let's go. Firstly, select the full column, press data and go to the data validation. Choose the list here and write the source complete, in progress, not started. As a result, clicking on the cell, we can choose the list. Next step is go to the conditional formatting and click on equal to. Write for example in progress and of course custom preferred code that you like. Repeat it for the other task status, feel the moment and you will get this type of the results. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to color drop down list in Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.